I left you last night on the left coast, yeah, and I'm writing you a letter right now. All the things that you do are rendering you something I can't live without. Maybe I got a pulse now. Maybe my heart's on fire. Where the bird in the hand is where the bird in a cage is where the bird on a telephone wire. And the bird in the hand is where the bird in a cage is where the bird on a telephone wire. I left you last night on the left side of the land of the free to be burned. All the heat of your touch is making it such I've forgotten everything I've learned. Maybe I got a problem. Maybe my heart's a liar. Oh, but a bird in the hand is where the bird in a cage is where the bird on a telephone wire. Yeah, and a bird in the hand is where the bird in a cage is where the bird on a telephone wire. And I may be a bird in a cage, but at least it's your cage. And I may be a bird in a cage, but at least it's your cage. I left you last night on the left half of the bed, the half that used to be mine. The way that you sleep is the image I'll keep always on the edge of my mind. Maybe I got a problem. Maybe I got a reason for living, even though I'm so tired. But a bird in the hand is where the bird in the cage is where the bird on the telephone wire. And I may be a bird in a cage, but at least it's your cage. And I may be a bird in a cage, but at least it's your cage. Maybe you are the only one my heart's desire. Oh, but a bird in the hand is where the bird in the cage is where the bird on the telephone wire. Yeah, and a bird in the hand is where the bird in the cage is where the bird on the telephone wire. Yeah, and a bird in the hand is where the bird in the cage is where the bird on a telephone wire. Woo!